Alright. Okay, so a few problems I'm just encountering at the moment. My how's it, everyone? So I'm Dr. Weeze, and thanks for tuning in. So I was just saying, I've got a few problems at the moment. I'm just trying to resolve. Before I go live, my upload speed is just, it's nowhere today. And then I've got a whole ton of drop frames. Now I'm not too sure if that's got to do with the internet today. The internet's been funny for the last couple of days. I don't know what's been going on, but I've been having some issues with the Stream PC since we built it last. I've also got a couple of other things going on, but I'm not too sure how the feed is actually coming through, if it is legible or if it's not legible. But I'll tell you what, today is actually a really short video. I'm going to continue with the stream even with the really bad speeds. I'm not too sure why it's like that. It is also the first stream I'm doing since my daughter was born, where I've got Facebook, YouTube and Twitch going. So I've also got a Discord channel, so you can jump on there. It is easier to chat across all the platforms via Discord. I put the link down the bottom, sort of over there somewhere. I'm going to jump straight into what we're doing today. So part of my new adventure in life is I have quit my full-time job, and I'm trying to pursue a little bit of what I love, and doing PC building and custom builds and overclocking and fine-tuning of PCs and stuff like that. And one of the projects that I've got to get going is actually an all-in-one. So through a couple of my contacts, I've started sourcing some of the custom kit that I'll be using for some of my builds. What I want to look at today is the all-in-one case. So it's got a 32-inch screen, 2K screen with a case and everything built on the back of it. I want to get it out the box. I want to start having a look at it. I haven't looked at it yet since it's been shipped. I've had it sitting on the floor here for a month and a half, and I need to get going with the project. If we have a quick look at what is on the workbench at the moment, and I just want to switch the screen here so you can see the build on the workbench. So what I've got going here is just a Sapphire 580 8GB card, which is running on the Strix 370X F Gaming, I think it is called, yeah, F Gaming, that's right. And that's currently got an X17 AM4 chip in there. So I got my hands on quite a few AMD chips, so it's just something I needed to build my own knowledge on. It's a little bit of knowledge building. So I've got the full range of the A series, and I've got all the raisins, and I'm going to go through and just do a little bit of testing on them. No liquid nitrogen, nothing fancy. It's really just so that I can build my own experience with AMD, because it is definitely something that's to be considered. I mean, there's no doubt that I am an Intel fanboy. I do processors, but you can't argue with the price point. And when you start looking at your sort of more mid-level gaming PCs, you can't argue with, you know, an 8-core or 10-core AMD chip that's going to cost you a quarter of what an Intel chip's going to cost you in the same boat. You know, if you have a look at the crazy price of like the 6950X, or you know, the latest Skylake, not even Skylake, but yes, no, it is Skylake E, yeah, Skylake E or whatever. But I'm a little bit rusty with all the generations. The price is just, it's prohibitive, and if you're going to be selling PCs to gamers, you got to you got to look at all of that. But yeah, so okay, how's it, George? Thanks for tuning in. Send Kane, I think it is. Crash drop your live, Dr. Weeze. Thanks for tuning in. Look, I think there's something going on with the local service provider today. My upload rate is only like, it's bouncing between 2 megasecond and 6 megasecond. So there's something really not quite happy there. I'm going to quickly now just have a look at the case. So that's what's on the workbench here. The whole idea is that I'm testing it for a variety of scenarios. Some of that is also return on investment. So if you're wanting to do a little bit of mining, it's hard to avoid the mining stuff at the moment. Everybody's asking the questions about it, so at the same time I've got a test for it, so that I can give accurate advice to customers when they ask, well, you know, what sort of hashes and all that sort of stuff. So what I want to do, and my backup Raspberry Pi looks like it's also dead, so there's no telemetry once again. Something in the Raspberry Pis in my OC labs, it's not great. So I want to grab this monitor out the box quickly, and I do apologize for the bad video quality. I see my drop frames are really shooting up. I don't want to end the stream. I want to just quickly have a go at just getting this thing out of the box and having a quick look at it. So like I said, this is my all-in-one project. The idea for this workstation is going to be your graphic designers, your editors, your stock exchange, Excel jockeys, that type of thing. It comes with a 32-inch 2K screen with the all-in-one factor of it, so that actually everything is on the back of it. So I'll pop it here quickly, and you can have a look at the rear of the case. There's enough space in here for a micro ATX by the looks of it. It's got a Razer card, so you can put in a full-length VGA. And if you pop over to the front of it, there's your 2K 32-inch screen, built-in webcam, light sensor, front USBs, and this is really going to be quite a nice build. So I'm not too sure exactly what I'm going to be building into this case just yet. I'm thinking we'll probably start off with a build. I'll try and get my hands on maybe a X99 type micro ATX. It should be quite a lot of fun. But yeah, so that's that. Let's get, and it comes with two little legs that you bolt on for the stand, and that in itself is fully enclosed. The power supply I'm thinking of using for this build would probably be a Seasonic or a Corsair, maybe Corsair. And if I can show you here, now I'll need to just open this up. Full power supply, mini ATX in this section, so full power supply here, mini ATX, and then a full length video card. Yeah, quite exciting. But anyway, so that's the all-in-one case in a nutshell. Now you can't really see too much on the screen, but I'm going to sign off now and see if I can figure out what the hell is going on with my internet at the moment. Yeah, so I'll be back maybe a little later once I can figure out what the stink is going on with this internet. Alright, so question there on the stream before I sign off. I'm from Belgium, but it's necessary to regulate the bitrate according to the connection and to reduce the quality for certain drop pass via Google Translate. Okay, so if I understand you correctly, you need to regulate, you need to change your bitrate. So I do stream via Facebook, Twitch, as well as YouTube, and I think on YouTube you are able to reduce the bitrate depending on your internet connection. I'm not too sure about Twitch or Facebook. If you want to, just drop me a message on Facebook, drwees.oc, and I'll get my technical team to maybe answer any questions you might have regarding the bitrate. Anyway guys, look, I'm going to sign off now. I need to figure out what's going on. It's 48% drop frames. It's not good enough for a stream. Thanks for quickly tuning in. I will be back. Like I said, I'm going to be streaming regularly, twice a week, 3 times, 4 times a week from now onwards. You should be seeing a lot more of me. And don't forget to subscribe to all the little places where you can get updates on what's going on when I go live. There should be 2 scheduled streams per week, Tuesday mornings, Thursday afternoons, and then lots in between. Anyway, guys, let me figure this out. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. See you just now. Cheers.